Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I decided to film my first deep clean of 2020, and as you guys can see right here, it is long overdue. My house was pretty much a disaster, and I just wanted to make sure that I got my main floor pretty much cleaned. We do pretty much spend most of our time in the living room, dining room, and kitchen. So with a toddler and just us running around everywhere, it gets really messy really quickly. And fortunately for me, I was home alone this day for about, I don't know, 8 hours or so. And I definitely took advantage of that because the second that I woke up, I just started cleaning. I will be doing a voiceover and popping in periodically throughout this video, but I know some people like watching cleaning videos with just music and some people like watching cleaning videos with people talking. Let me know down below what you prefer, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to do that down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you like cleaning videos. Also, don't forget to click that bell down below next to the subscribe button so you're notified every single time I upload a video.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Now I'm gonna be really honest with you guys, and this was the first time that I cleaned under my couches and vacuumed in like under the cushions and stuff since I moved into the house. And I moved in over a little bit over a year, which I'm not proud of, but I thought it was going to be a lot worse. I thought I was going to find really nasty things under there, but it was just mainly toys. So I was really happy about that. And I was definitely sweating after I had moved all the cushions and the couches and I put everything back. It was a lot of work, but totally worth it because it needed to get done.
Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
I wanted to take a second and talk to you guys about this duster right here. It's my absolute favorite duster, and I've used plenty of them. I bought some from Amazon and Walmart and stuff, and this one I love, and I actually got it at the Dollar Tree. It works really well. It's compact and it fits in like really tiny like spaces, and it actually comes in a pack of 2 for $1, and it's amazing. It works really well, and I'll show you the actual box of it at the end of this clip. Here you go. So if you see this at your store, definitely pick it up. Now, after spending hours cleaning the living room and deep cleaning the dining room as well, I took a little break. As you can see, I have different pants on. They're a lot more comfortable. And I didn't actually finish deep cleaning the kitchen just because I wanted to enjoy my time being alone, which rarely happens now that I'm a stay-at-home mom, and kind of watch TV, like drink a little bit of wine and relax. So I did put away the dishes and I washed the rest of the dishes that were in the sink. And if you are looking for more cleaning videos, I do have a playlist just for that. I also have a lot of home decor videos, shop with me's and hauls. So I'll link all of my playlists down below if you're interested. And I would be really grateful if you subscribe to my channel. That way we can stay connected in this little community.